CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8 Identify Basic Networking Concepts. Modem. Hold on 1 second while I try to connect. Just kidding. Okay, time to get back to work. There are many different types of modems, each designed to work with specific transmission media and connection types. To keep things simple, I'll focus on the general function of a modem. And later in this video segment, I will use a common example involving telephone lines and the public switch telephone network to illustrate how a modem works in practice. Okay, so what is a modem? A modem is a network device that connects a computer or LAN using digital signals to an analog-based WAN network. It serves as a bridge between the digital signals used by computers and the analog signals used by communication lines, such as telephone lines or cable lines. Consider a modem to be the gateway between your computer and the vast world of the internet. It's the first point of contact that enables your computer to access online resources and services. Using the image behind me, I will walk you through the process of sending data from one computing device to another computing device across an internet service provider's network. In this case, a telephone network, such as dial-up or DSL. On the far left, we have a workstation that will be sending a data packet. The network interface card on the workstation will send out a digital signal comprised of binary digits. Here the digital signal will be received by the modem on the left, and the modem will perform a process called signal modulation. Modulation is the process of taking an incoming signal, in this case a digital signal, and modifying the signal into another form to be transmitted, in this case an analog signal. The analog signal will then travel across an internet service provider's network until the destination network is reached. Here, another modem will perform a process called demodulation. Demodulation is the reversal of the modulation process. Here, the incoming signal, which is currently an analog signal, will be converted back to a digital signal. Now the network interface of the workstation on the far right can receive the digital signal as an input and process the newly received data packet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.